Namaste everyone, today we will learn headstand and the variation, but the root will be headstand. So first adjust your head, straighten your both legs, push your hip forward, strengthen your core and then slowly lift your leg up all the way straight. Yes, slowly in one line like this. So this is the headstand posture, the basic one, the root one. First you try to clear this posture and after that there is many variation. So when you come back again, strengthen your core and then slowly drop your leg and come to the child pose. Each and every time when you do, between that you must come to child pose. I'm not doing that, but you must do that. And after that, bend your elbow in 90 degree and once again lift the leg up, same as headstand, all the way up. Yes, your body weight will be on your both palms shifted equally. Yes, like this. Again, strengthen your core and then slowly take your time to coming down. Slowly come down. Now the another one, the third one. So for the third one, we will straight the both elbow like this. Yes, straight the both elbow side to side and then once again strengthen your core and then inhale up slowly. Take your time, don't be in a hurry, otherwise you can fall down, so slowly do that. Now from here, slowly again strengthen your core and all the way down. Now this time we will do again same, but this time our fingertip will be pointed backward, not right or left. So fingertip pointed will be backward and elbow should be straight like this. And then again strengthen your core and then slowly lift your leg up all the way up as much you can and make a balance. Now slowly come up one by one and again in each posture, after every posture you must do the child pose. So this time one right elbow bend and straight the left elbow and then again inhale up like this. Yes, again take a breath and concentrate, focus, don't be in a hurry, take your time for doing this posture and then slowly come back to the child pose. Now another posture, this time catch your elbow with your both palm and then adjust yourself outside of your hand, then slowly again bring your leg forward and then slowly strengthen your core, lift the leg up slowly. It's hard to balance, so first try to focus on balancing and then straight your body like this. Yes, and again slowly strengthen your core and try to come down, come to the child pose at least 2 minutes. Namaste.